Annika community is the federal controller of West Lagos State Engineer Olufemi FNSC, FNICE. So it's part of its response to Magbon community for deployment and make sure that Magbon community as a whole is relieved from the overflooding and submerged. Thank you.